growing number of companies are looking for people who want to work from home, while in-person hiring events and job fairs can offer excellent opportunity. Online job postings are becoming more common. While these opportunities may not be as lucrative as the traditional office jobs, they are still a great way to get paid from the comforts of your own home. This video will discuss a few of the top options for working from home. Hey, it is your boy, Willie DeJarnette. I'm about to discuss a non-phone job that pays $30 to $50 per hour. I'll also provide the link at the bottom of the video. Hey guys, before we get into the training, I would like for you to like and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, I have a system that will help you triple your email list in a matter of no time. Guys, take a look at the link that I have below, and if you can't remember, it's tripleyouremaillist.com. guys. Take a look at that link so you can triple your emails in your email box in a matter of no time. I'll see you in the training. Okay guys, we got another video, non-phone jobs. Now tonight we're gonna go in an area that was unfamiliar to me, but as you constantly do research, you don't realize how many opportunities that are out there online. All you have to do is research it. So, and if you don't want to research it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I try to create a video when I have time daily. So those opportunities are out for you to have a work from home job. So you can't say the opportunity is not out there. So let's dive into our first company, and we're going to go through several of their jobs they have available. All right, the first company is Tyler Technology, and I already got it on careers, and let's just go ahead and go to the job openings. And what I like to do is I like to go ahead and the filters are already clear, so let's go ahead and be specific on what jobs we want to kind of look at. Now the choice is up to you. You can go here and look at a couple jobs, but what we're gonna do, just for video purposes, we're just gonna let you know what is available. Now this implementation consultant is a pretty good job here, and the first thing I want to do before we even get into the description, first of all, we want to find out the requirements, and the requirements are 3 to 5 years experience or more, a business or system analyst. Okay, so whatever this job entails, you have to have had some kind of experience in it. So that's what I want to let you know. So make sure you look at, you want to look at this before you go into it, and you're wasting your time. But I want to say this as far as looking at these online jobs. I do have jobs that I announce on this channel that says you don't have to have experience, but there's one thing that these jobs require, and you need to require that as well. You need to have some kind of skill set. I know you see businesses where you can be a freelancer, and as being a freelancer, you have to have skill sets. And you've seen videos on my channel where you want to work at your own business or be your own entrepreneur. Every entrepreneur or every company that I have tried to work with, they require to have some kind of skill set, some kind of knowledge, some kind of way to be able to promote what you're doing. So you have to have some skill set. You just can't have, I hate to say it, elementary education and get one of these jobs here. I don't want to make sure you not coming here thinking it's going to be that easy. You have to have some kind of skill set. And even though these jobs are out here online and there are a ton of them, it's still competition to acquire them. So make sure you come equipped. If you don't have the skill set, read through the qualifications and jot them down and get a certain skill set so you can acquire one of these jobs. It is just that simple. Now, it talks about this strong understanding of SDLC. Don't really know what that is, but if you in that particular area, you'll know that. Now, I can type the acronym in Google and find out actually what it means. So, but yeah, you want to do that. And let's just look up here and tell you the responsibilities. And it's just make sure you got to realize you are a professional person when it comes to especially a remote job. Proactivity, communicate and collaborate with external customers and internal team members to analyze, identify, and document user stories and deliver artifacts such as required document and specification. So make sure you thoroughly read the fine print, these jobs announcement. And then one thing I hadn't talked about prior to my videos, I had someone look at one of the offers that I had, and last week they mentioned to me about a resume. And at some point on this channel, we will be going through some things that we need to do to come up with a good resume, even if I have to learn how to do it myself. And I aim trying to do that, because without a good resume, sometimes it hurts. And some online applications require to have your resume on LinkedIn. I know a lot of companies have it on LinkedIn. It makes you look more professional. So we will eventually get to that one day, eventually, soon too. So here you go. So because when you come in and apply online, I don't know if, let me see what it says when it's apply online. We just want to look at it. Look here, add your resume. See what I'm trying to tell you? So this is what it is, guys. I'm just telling you, I knew at some point I'm going to have to make a playlist and actually teach resumes the right way. So, all right, let's get out of here and let's take a look at another one. We're still in Tyler Tech. Let's look at this one and we'll see what we got. Let's go another remote job, project manager. And we're gonna look at we'll always look at the qualification first before we look at the responsibilities, because I mean, if you're not qualified, the responsibility is not going to mean anything to you. Bachelor's degree in a related or equivalent to experience. You might have the experience. So the responsibility is provide inbound phone, web, or email software support to resolve easy, moderate client inquiries and problem effectivity and efficiency. So even though this is a non-phone, you may have to. So don't make it seem like it's just 100%. Sometimes you may have to. So the company might require you to call in just to talk or consult on some kind of Zoom call or whatever, or respond in some form or fashion. So it's a job. So you do what you can to keep that job. And they're talking about analyze data report forms and web technologists responsible for communicate to all parties involved in issue resolution to meet and manage clients' expectations. So what I would do is, when it comes to applying for a job, I study the requirements. I study what the job has to offer. And then another thing, and I have watched, let me make sure we don't miss this. Must be available to work evening shift as needed to support 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Standard Times operation. So make sure you look at all these criteria. And from the little bit of the resume stuff that I've studied so far, sometimes you have to tweak your resume to the job that you're going to apply for. So you want to hear me out on this. You want to tweak it. And I did go through some tutorial on when you do a resume, that these people will know if your resume is full of fluff. I'm talking about basically hot air. So these people are for real online, and you should be for real for the benefits of being able to work at the house. And right here, I want to talk about this scam alert. This company is real. This company wants you to let them know if there's somebody out there trying to represent Tyler Tech as to gather your information and use and abuse it. Let them know. So just let them know. So the people out there, it's not, they will try to get over on you. So make sure as well. So make sure I'll have this link in the video so you can go to it. So All right, let's go to the next one here. Now, this one caught me off guard. A online game host. Can you believe that? Unbelievable, ain't it? You know, we watched it as kids. The game host that is on TV, you got it online. And you remember in the title of the video when I talked about 30 to 40, maybe $30 to $50 an hour? This one here is $45 a show. The show lasts a little less than an hour. You get 3 or 4 shows a day, you're talking about close to $50 an hour. So this is a game host. And let me tell you something. Make sure you one of them wired guys or wired females if you want to obtain this job. You want to be very wired and ready to go. Would never thought I would run across a job like this. Look what it says. Our ideal hosts, information speaking to the assembly of happy beer, fuel, trivia, sports, and or music fans over a microphone. So whatever that is, check it out. Maybe it's something for you. And even though it says a specific region, just let them know you want to do it from remote. So, all right, cool. All right, let's move on to the next one. Another virtual game. All right, now this one here is, I just want to make sure we look at some of the criteria. One thing I had noted that you have to have the EIN number. Yeah, so you have to send that into if you want to work this particular job. So you have to have your own the tax ID. Basically, that's what that's talking about, a tax ID. So, and it says you have the ability to work up 4+ 1 hour games per day, and those games pay $30 to $50 per game. For if you're a beginner, you're probably gonna start out around about $30 a game. But if you season, that's when you make the bucks. Can you imagine if you were doing four games a day at $50? That's $200 a day, $1,000 a week. That's really part-time, making full-time money with part-time hours. So I'm just telling you, if you're wired that way and you want to do these kind of games, these conference calls type, video conference calls type games or whatever, you're more likely to do it. So you see the little picture here, you see Matt right here. Pretty nice, ain't he? Pretty nice. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you something. At least we had a couple games that were entertaining. So just wanted you guys to check it out and see if something interests you or pique your interest to be a part of a system like that. I'm going to go ahead and let this go, but I'll make sure I have a link in the video description, and make sure I get a like and a subscription, and I'll see you guys on the next. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the training. But don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And leave some comments just to let me know what you thought of the video and what I could do better. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next training.